Previously in our last episode.
What?
And just ahead.
What the fuck was that?
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of 2 cats and a few bats. G here from OG Creations. You know what time it is.
Halloween, Halloween, Halloween.
This year, I thought I would weave a spell for a frightfully fun Halloween season. Now where's my coven?
Sweet confection, you ought to wish. Sisters of 3, thought of as witch.
Goodbye.
Troublesome trio, who haunt and hitch.
Beware of hitchhiking ghosts.
Extraterrestrial, sought and called.
Bitch! What the fuck was that?
So this week, we will focus on the candy corn t-shirt.
Candy.
When you think of Halloween, one of the very first things you think of is trick-or-treating, or candy. And one of the most Halloween-y candies out there is candy corn. I thought, how fun would it be to color match those corn syrupy shades of orange and yellow, and create a shirt sweet enough to give you a toothache.
Said you gave him a toothache. How'd I do that? It's an expression. It means he thought you were sweet. Yeah? Wow.
Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to my channel. The YouTube algorithm is infuriating. And unless you already have hundreds of thousands of followers, you really aren't suggested to new viewers as easily.
What are you waiting for?
Can no one find nude photos of me on the internet?
Views.
Your help will be greatly
Man
appreciated.
next to me is the one I want. You ask me, I'm answering. Yes, I love that man of
With
mine.
that said, let's get started. I'm starting with a white 100% cotton men's t-shirt. This has been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. Using a spin-only cycle, it was spun until practically dry. Then I set it aside and forgot about it until it was actually dry, so it's a little too dry for my liking, but I ran with it anyway. I laid it flat on my work surface and flattened out all the wrinkles. I gathered the material from one side seam to the other side seam and secure with a rubber band, about 2/3 of the length of the shirt from the bottom hem. I then secured the gathered fabric about 3 inches below that first rubber band.
Porn.
I then secured the sleeves and the neck with additional rubber bands to try to protect any dye getting on that upper portion of the shirt. I also used different color rubber bands here as a reminder to myself. Once complete, all of the shirts are placed on my dye racks, ready for color. The top portion of our shirt will be remaining white, so we are only adding 2 colors today: clear yellow and deep orange. I apply my dyes, making sure to fully saturate the fabric. They are set aside for 48 hours to process in a 70-degree space. They are rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that I'm washing away all of the soda ash. I then run them through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. They are then dried, ironed, and placed into my inventory and added to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can buy these and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. These are so much fun. It screams candy corn.
I'm candy.
It's colorful, festive, and totally Halloween. And for those who love a yummy surprise, or just a matching set, I also have made these in briefs and thongs. I hope that you have a spooktacular Halloween season. Blessed be. See you next time.